Hi everybody, welcome back to Connoisseur Corner, part of the Feldy Network. This is Marty Feldman here again with you, and we're going to do a little more mixology tonight as we start a series on mezcal, the first cousin of tequila certainly. They've been making mezcal since this goes back to the 16th century, and of course made from the agave plant, from the heart of the agave plant, the piña as it's known. And mezcal, of course, known for its kind of a smoky essence. There's a nice kind of list of cocktails that use this as one of the ingredients. And for the introduction of tonight's drink, today's drink, this afternoon's drink, this morning's drink, let me introduce Mr. Mezcal. Last of the Oaxacans. Ah, yes, folks, the last of the Oaxacans. And so this actually is a fairly new recipe. This one comes from about 2016. A gentleman by the name of Rick Dobbs is a bar owner in Livermore, California, of a bar called The Last Word. And the last word essentially is gin, and then also has the Green Chartreuse, the Luxardo cherry liqueur, and fresh lime juice in it. So what we're doing here, this is a take, of course, on The Last Word. We're removing that gin, adding in the lovely smokiness of the mezcal. Construction, the recipe on this is fairly easy. Everything is equal parts. So as you build it, you're doing 3/4 ounce of the mezcal, 3/4 ounce of the Green Chartreuse, 3/4 of the cherry liqueur, and then 3/4 of the lime, fresh squeezed lime juice. As always, don't get that, stuff in the little plastic container. And the typical garnish for this then is one of the Marasca cherries. I use the Luxardo cherry. Now you can do a little kind of a twist on this, a little hack. What you can do is build this in a shaker, add in a slice or two of serrano pepper into the shaker, get your little shake on it, and then when you, of course, pour it out, do a double strain on it into your cocktail glass. You can do this in a martini glass, in a coupe. Either way, not something you're typically going to serve over the rocks. And if you do that with the pepper, then you're going to get that, of course, that little serrano kick in there. You could use jalapeno if you want. I think a serrano is a little bit better fit with this flavor profile. There you have it. Let's take a look at how we build this one. Cheers, everyone. So there you have it, folks, the last of the Oaxacans. A wonderful, very balanced drink. I think the flavor profile here, you're going to have kind of smoky kind of a start to it, but then the lime kind of takes over with a little bit of that sour, and then a real herbal finish from the Green Chartreuse. Of course, the Luxardo, the cherry liqueur, kind of runs through it and gives it all kind of that balance. A lot of different profiles kind of all in this cocktail. So it's a wonderful thing, very different. Give it a try, see what you think. I'd be curious. Post your comments in the comment section below. Please, of course, hit the subscribe button so you can keep getting the recipes and all the other content that we're publishing out. And until next time, cheers, everybody.